Hi, first grade. Welcome back to math today. And for our lesson today, we're going to be looking at ways to make 6 and 7. Now, on Friday, we looked at different ways to make 4 and 5. So we're going to be doing something similar to that, but we're going to be writing our own sleeping number sentences. We're also going to use counters. As you can see down here, we have counters that we're going to use. So, boys and girls, our job right here is to write one number sentence that makes 6. So we're going to start off with 6. If we put out 6 green counters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we know that we have 6 green counters. Now, how many blue counters do we have? Up in here, we have 0 blue counters. So we'll make sure we'll put a 0 here. Now what's 6 plus 0, boys and girls? 6 plus 0 more added on is 6. And there's just one way that we can make 6. Now if we turn the page, we come up here. It says there are many ways to make a sum of 6 and 7. Let's look at our counters right here first. So we have our 6 counters out, and 1 counter is red. If we look over at our number sentence, we have 1 right here on our first area, and that number 1 stands for our 1 red counter. And then if we look over here, we have a 5 because we have 5 yellow counters if we count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 all together. There's that number 6. So another way we can make 6 is 1 plus 5. Now, if we look down here, the next way we can make 6 is if you flip another yellow counter to make it red. Once you flip that counter, then we have 2 red counters. If you look over here, here's our 2 in our number sentence, plus our 4 yellow counters. There's our 4 yellow, equals 6. Altogether, we still have 6 counters. We just have more red counters this time than we did in our last problem. Now, if we look down here, here's a way to make 7. We have 7 counters. Now we have 3, 1, 2, 3 red. There's our 3 in our number sentence. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow. There's our 4. Now all together, we have 7 counters. Here's another way to show that, boys and girls, but in this one, we have 5 red counters. There's our 5. And then we have 2 yellow counters. There's our 2. All together, 5 red counters plus 2 yellow counters equals 7. So boys and girls, your job today is going to be to make 6 using different counters. And remember, if you don't have counters, you can use anything in your home. You can use pencils or crayons, you can use rocks, or you can even use snacks. Another thing you're going to do is make sure you use a work mat so that you have part, whole. So you will find ways to make 6. You'll work on this page, 56. You'll go to page 57, and you'll do page 58. Once you get done with all of that, you'll know all the different ways to make 6 and 7, and then you can move on to 8 and 9. All right, boys and girls, good talking to you, and I will see you later.